part of what our cultural grammar is I need to constantly reflect on my autobiography because I need to find the uniqueness. I need to find the specialness because that uniqueness and that specialness, right? That's my true self that I've always had. If I can just find that and hold that up, then I will forever shine against the darkness of non-being.
Yeah.
When I say it that way, right, I'm trying to make it heroic while at the same time ridiculing it because it has that heroic feel. And part of it is wrapped up with, this existential discourse about authenticity. There's an important idea in authenticity, but it's wrapped up that what authenticity means is being true to myself. And so my identity is something I have rather than something I become or aspire to. And the way I have it is by finding what I have that nobody else has and holding on to that. So what I want to do to be spiritual is I want to collect these little gems of specialness and collect them together. And then what I have is, here's my autobiographical shelf in which I put all my gems of specialness, and they shine and they shine and they shine. And look at how glorious I am. And I think so. And I mean, the fact that you have a president in the United States who's, whatever your politics are, I think people on both left and the right have to acknowledge that this guy is a deep narcissist, right? He's deeply narcissistic, and I don't think that's a coincidence. I think narcissism, right, is growing in our culture. It's growing with the sense of bullshit, right, which is not the same thing as lying. I'm using bullshit in a very technical sense, which I argue about in the series, right? Right, that's growing, and then that interacts with these perennial patterns, right? These perennial patterns of fixating on the product, not paying attention to the process, right? But also it also interacts with this other historical factor of starving for meaning. And so I want something concrete, fast that I can hold on to, and that's special, and that it's mine, right? Right. And so I think all of those things are reinforcing each other in really, really powerful ways.